Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix Minecraft OpenGL Error 1281. If you are playing Minecraft with custom mods, and suddenly your chat box starts getting spammed with OpenGL Error 1281, your game is encountering a deep rendering conflict, usually caused by OptiFine or heavy shaders. I will show you exactly how to stop this error and fix your game right now. Let's get started. First, the absolute fastest way to stop this error from ruining your gameplay is simply to hide it. In most cases, the error itself does not actually break your game. The real issue is the extreme lag caused by the text constantly spamming your chat. Press the Escape key, click on Options, select Video Settings, and then click on the Other tab at the bottom right. Locate the specific toggle labeled Show GL Errors and turn it completely off. This instantly stops the game from printing the annoying debug text to your screen, letting you play peacefully. Next, if you actually want to fix the root cause of the invalid value glitch, instead of just hiding it, you need to tweak your background performance settings. Go back into your main Video Settings menu and click on the Performance tab. Locate the setting explicitly named Render Regions and switch it to Off. Custom shader packs frequently clash with OptiFine's attempt to optimize render regions, so disabling this single option frequently solves the core 1281 error without breaking your custom graphics. Finally, if the error continues to flash or causes serious visual artifacts, your core OptiFine mod installation is severely outdated. Completely close out of Minecraft, open your web browser, and go to the official OptiFine downloads page. Make absolutely sure you are downloading the newest version that perfectly matches your specific Minecraft update. Additionally, if you recently installed an ultra-realistic shader pack, temporarily disable it. Certain extremely heavy lighting packs will constantly trigger the 1281 error if your graphics card struggles to process the invalid texture sizes. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.